Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you through how to activate Citibank card online. To activate your Citibank card, here are some few simple steps. Open up a web browser to get started. Now go to the URL box and type in citi.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for Citibank. To activate your Citibank card, all you need to do is to go to the right hand corner of the screen where you can see the sign in area and simply click on the activate button right next to the register button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this activate your card section. Type in your card number in the text box where it says card number. Make sure to enter the same card number that you wish to activate. Once you enter your card number, click the continue button. Follow the instructions provided to complete the activation process. You'll also need to enter your social security number and other verification details along the way. That is how you can easily activate your Citibank card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.